welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know who I am, my name is Tanya and I am a independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay Cosmetics. I'm here to share with you an unboxing. I have some things that I get for my inventory for my business, so let's get into this unboxing. So I have ordered a couple of things in the last couple of weeks to add to my shelf here where I keep everything, stock everything up. So I did some of my favorite things I like to keep for my customers, even things that I use for myself, because some of the items that I have and that I'm going to show you are items that I keep on hand just for myself. So I will talk to you in this video and let you know some of the things that I love, some of the things that my customers love, and some of the things that my customers always come back or ask me for, so I make sure I keep them in stock for inventory. So I have a box here, and I have a couple of things that have have the items that I purchased from the company. So I have these things, and I normally just check them off and make sure I have everything. So one of the things that I keep in stock is the Clear Proof Acne system. And this system is a system that's much loved by customers. So if you struggle with acne and you want something that's really going to target the acne and resolve your problem, the Clear Proof Acne system is one. I know in my video you saw where I've done a demonstration of the Clear Proof charcoal mask. It is sold separately. It's not sold with the kit, but it's sold separately. But that charcoal mask is an activating charcoal mask, and it does a lot of the things that this Clear Proof system does. So the Clear Proof system comes with the cleanser, it comes with the moisturizer, it comes with a toner, and it also comes with a acne treatment. Now the toner itself, I use that because, as you can probably tell in this video, my face is a little shiny. Well, I've cleansed my face, washed my face, put all my night treatment on, but my face still shines because I have combination to oily skin. So in my T-zone area, I shine all the time. So what the toner does is it removes the oil from your face. It also helps with blemishes or any breakouts, hormonal breakouts that you get. So that is why I use the toner in this set. I love it. So another item that I have that I purchased several of is the 2-in-1 body wash and shave. So this lotion here, this body shave here, body wash, body shave, whatever you want to call it, it comes with this and a hydration lotion. This is the best hydrating formula that I have found. I like it because one of the things that it does is it hydrates the skin, so it keeps you from being dry. You can also shave with this, so that's why it's called the 2-in-1 wash and shave. So I ordered several of these because this is what I shower with. I don't use anything else. So I order several of these, keep them in stock so that I have them for myself and for my customers as well. So some of the other things that I ordered was, I ordered a few of the eye creams. I ordered the Soothing Eye Gel. And I ordered the Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream. So in one of my videos, I talked about, and I used my morning routine, which was the TimeWise 3D set. And so this is a part of it. So what I did is I ordered this, and I ordered the Soothing Eye Gel because I'm going to do a video and I'm going to talk about some of the best eye cream products. So I wanted to make sure that I had in stock all those items so that I could talk about those items in the video. It is really, eye gel, it's really good. It's really, really good. But I will talk to you guys about that in another video. So just make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, so you'll be notified when I get ready to upload that video. I also ordered a few of the lipsticks that I did not have. I ordered, and that was Crush Berry, and then I have a Berry Couture. So what I'm going to show you is Crush Berry first, and these are great for the fall, and they are some wine colors, so I think you guys will really like that. So this is Berry Couture, similar to Berry Famous. Then I have Crush Berry. And let me get this one open. It's kind of similar to the Berry Famous, but they're all in the wine family. And I think these are some very pretty colors for the fall. Also ordered another Paparazzi Pink just to make sure I had that, because like I said, it's back in stock. Don't know when it's gonna go away. Here only for a limited edition, so I want to make sure I had plenty of those on hand. And so I also ordered a few the lip pencils. Now I love a dark chocolate like lip pencil. I used to use Wet n Wild pencil. I think it was basically, I used it as a lip and a eyebrow pencil. And so in one of my videos, I talked about it because it was, you know, very inexpensive. But Mary Kay has one, and it is a dark chocolate lip liner, and it's really, really pretty. And so I use it, and I actually use it to outline my eyebrows. I don't fill my eyebrows in with it because I do have a Mary Kay eyebrow pencil that I use in dark brunette. So I don't fill it in with this, but I do use it to line my eyebrows before I fill them in. And then I also use it as a lip liner. So you guys do know that you can use products more than one way. It's really good, and it really saves you a lot of money when you can do that. I also have a few, have several of the Paparazzi Pinks, ladies. So hey, if you're interested, like I said, in that Paparazzi Pink, comment below. If you have a beauty consultant, reach out to her, and I'm sure she will have some of this on hand. But if you don't have a consultant, I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can just comment below. My website is also listed below. You can go to my website, you can order, have it shipped to your door. So if you're interested, just check out my description box for all my information. I also have a few lip glosses, and I'm going to do a video on Mary Kay's Unlimited lip glosses. They have revamped their lip gloss line. It used to be the Nourishine lip gloss, but now it is the Unlimited lip gloss. And so I ordered a few, and I think I ordered Berry Delight is one. This is Berry Delight right here. And I have Chocolate Nude. So Chocolate Nude is one of my best sellers, and I sell a lot of it. It's just a dark chocolate, and so I sell a lot of the Chocolate Nude. But like I said, I'm going to do a lip gloss video with the Ultimate Lip Gloss, show you all the colors and the ones I have. And I do have Fancy. I ordered Fancy Nancy. I really love Fancy Nancy. Has a little shimmer, a little glitter to it, but it's really, really, really a pretty color. So guys, that's just a few of the things that I ordered in a couple of weeks. I'm going to get ready to order our fall products. They're coming out in about 5 days. So I am so excited to see those products. They have some very pretty lipsticks that will be great for the holiday and great for the new year. So if you're interested in our fall products, just make sure that you are hitting that notification bell, so when I upload the video about our fall products, you won't miss out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.